Franklin Street was, I call it the backbone of Santa Clara because it was like the major transportation corridor through the growing town of Santa Clara. So with Franklin Street in particular, we weren't able to go out on site beforehand, but we did do a lot of research and we did write a treatment plan, and we did interact with the city and made sure that our mitigation plan conforms to their municipal code for treatment. We are actually finding fire hearths, so we have the actual baked earth and the hearths, and we have the food remains in there. We also have large ashy areas which are indicative of cooking. We have what we believe is the base of a pottery kiln. There was a large Native American population here at the time the mission was founded. The areas where they lived are in and around the Franklin Street area, so there were rows of adobe buildings like barracks. That's where the bulk of the population was living. And it did get a trolley. It actually has two sets of trolley tracks, and we found them both during our work last summer. We're also planning an exhibit for the fall of 2018 with the Desaussais Museum, and so a lot of these artifacts will be exhibited there. If we have researchers or students or faculty that want to work with the collections, I mean, the stuff is here, and we make it available for people who are doing research. And even if the public's interested, I mean, they can give me a call, and I'm glad to answer their questions and maybe show them some things.